In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most magnificent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will discuss chapter number 4, quadratic equation, exercise number 4.6, question number 3, that is most relevant for paper's point of view. So let's start. Find the condition that one root of x square plus px plus q is equal to 0. Part number 1, that is double the other. Let alpha 2 alpha be roots of x square plus px plus q is equal to 0. It means alpha double mean alpha plus alpha is equal to 2 alpha. So two roots, that is first alpha and second 2 alpha. Sum of root, that is alpha plus 2 alpha is equal to minus b over a. Minus b, so minus b is equal to p and c is equal to q. So b is equal to p minus p divided by 1 is equal to minus p. So next product of root, that is alpha dot 2 alpha is equal to c divided by a. So c is equal to q divided by 1, which is equal to q. So equation 1, that is alpha plus 2 alpha is equal to minus p. 3 alpha is equal to minus p, that is the equation number 1. Next, alpha dot 2 alpha is equal to q. It means 2 alpha square is equal to q, that is equation number 2. Put alpha is equal to minus p over 3 in equation 1, that is, so 2 into minus p over 3 whole square is equal to 2 is equal to q. So 2 dot minus p whole square, p square divided by 3 square equal to 9 is equal to q. So 9 times is 18. By cross multiplication, 2p square is equal to 9q is the required solution. Next, part number 2, that is square of the other. Let alpha square mean alpha dot alpha square be 2 roots, then be 2 roots of x square plus ps plus q is equal to 0. Here coefficient of x square is equal to 1 and coefficient of x is equal to p and constant is equal to q. So sum of root, that is alpha plus alpha square is equal to minus b over a is equal to minus p divided by 1, which is also is equal to minus p. Alpha plus alpha square is equal to minus p. That is the equation number 1, and alpha dot alpha square is equal to c over a. It means product of root is equal to c over a. So value c is equal to q divided by a is equal to 1. Alpha dot alpha square is equal to alpha q. Alpha q is equal to q, that is equation number 2. Combining equation 1 and 2, that is alpha plus alpha square whole cube is equal to minus p cube. It means alpha plus alpha square whole cube can also be written in formulas form, that is alpha cube plus alpha square whole cube plus 3 alpha into alpha square into alpha plus alpha square is equal to minus p square p cube. So alpha cube plus alpha 3 whole square plus 3 alpha dot alpha square is equal to alpha cube into alpha plus alpha square is equal to minus p cube. Put alpha cube is equal to q and alpha plus alpha square is equal to minus p from equation 1 and 2. So 2 plus q square plus 3 p q into minus q is equal to minus p square. So q square plus q minus 3p q plus, take right hand side minus p cube to left hand side, sun will be positive, plus p cube is equal to 0. So p cube plus q square plus q is equal to 3p cube is the required solution. Part number 3, that is additive inverse of the other. Let alpha and minus alpha be the roots of x square plus px plus q is equal to 0. Then alpha plus into minus alpha is equal to minus b over a. So which is equal to minus p divided by 1. Alpha minus alpha is equal to minus p. Next, minus p is equal to 0 implies that p is equal to 0. So alpha dot into minus alpha is equal to c divided by a. So c is equal to q divided by 1, which is equal to minus q. So minus alpha square is equal to q. So alpha square is equal to minus q. P is equal to 0 is the required condition, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.